Hi, I'm Bonnie with WTI. What I want to show you today is my MInCYB case for my iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. And the leather part is when I go to clean it, it stays clean a lot longer. I don't have to keep wiping it every time I open the phone. Another thing I really like about it is all the compartments. Look at them, there's like 14 compartments in this phone. There's a place for your cash on two sides, the front and the back. And in the middle, there's a zipper compartment. There's that one thing. The second thing I really like about it is that you can put all your things you'd rather keep private, and then you can snap it shut so that it stays private. And I also like the fact that your phone is snapped in. So there's a snap on the back that works very well. And as you can see, as many times as I've dropped my phone, and that's a lot of times, it's never broken as long as I've used a wallet case. And this one is really cushioned on all sides, whatever. It's always with me wherever I go, my wallet and my phone. So I like that. And you know, if I want to just pull the phone off and use it, I can, or not. And that's my point of view.